Maximizing folic acid in breakfast cereals for deficiency prevention. Folic acid, a crucial B vitamin, plays an essential role in DNA synthesis, repair, and overall cellular function. It is particularly vital for pregnant women, as it aids in fetal development and reduces the risk of birth defect. Despite its importance, folic acid deficiency remains a common issue, leading to various health problems. One effective way to combat this deficiency is through fortified breakfast cereals. This article explores how to maximize folic acid intake through breakfast cereals, ensuring a nutrient-rich start to your day. Breakfast cereals have become a staple in many households due to their convenience and nutritional benefits. Many cereals are fortified with essential vitamins and minerals, including folic acid. Fortification involves adding nutrients to foods that may not naturally contain them, helping to address dietary deficiencies. By choosing the right breakfast cereals, individuals can significantly boost their folic acid intake. When selecting a breakfast cereal, it is crucial to read the nutrition labels carefully. Look for cereals that explicitly state they are fortified with folic acid. The recommended daily intake of folic acid for adults is 400 micrograms, mcg, with higher requirements for pregnant women. Aim for cereals that provide at least 25% of the daily value, DV, of folic acid per serving. Some cereals can offer up to 100% DV, making it easier to meet your nutritional needs. In addition to fortified cereals, consider combining your breakfast with other folic acid-rich foods. Fruits such as oranges, strawberries, and bananas are excellent choices, as they complement the cereal and enhance overall nutrient absorption. Adding leafy greens like spinach or kale to your breakfast routine can further boost folic acid levels. These foods not only provide additional nutrients, but also contribute to a balanced and varied diet. To maximize the benefits of folic acid in breakfast cereals, it is essential to understand how the body absorbs this nutrient. Folic acid from fortified foods and supplements is more bioavailable than folate, the naturally occurring form found in foods. Bioavailability refers to the proportion of a nutrient that is absorbed and utilized by the body. Fortified cereals provide folic acid in a form that the body can readily absorb, making them an effective means of preventing deficiency. It is also worth noting that excessive cooking or prolonged storage can degrade folic acid in foods. To preserve the folic acid content in your breakfast cereals, store them in a cool, dry place and consume them before the expiration date. Additionally, avoid overcooking foods rich in folate, such as vegetables, to maintain their nutritional value. For those with specific dietary preferences or restrictions, there are various options available. Gluten-free, whole grain, and organic cereals often come fortified with folic acid, ensuring that individuals with different dietary needs can still benefit. Always check the packaging to ensure that your chosen cereal meets your dietary requirements while providing the necessary nutrients. In conclusion, breakfast cereals fortified with folic acid are an excellent way to address and prevent folic acid deficiency. By selecting cereals with high folic acid content, combining them with other nutrient-rich foods, and understanding proper storage and preparation techniques, you can maximize your intake of this vital nutrient. A well-balanced breakfast can set the tone for a healthy day, ensuring that you receive the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. For more tips on maintaining a nutrient-rich diet, watch the recommended videos in the description of this video or the associated playlist.